Hello stalkers, welcome back. Interesting and positive closing in both the markets. Let's start with DFM market index, that is Dubai Financial Market. As I have been mentioning lately, I'm expecting a correction in the market. After this drop to the downside, our support zone played fantastically fine. We could see a good bounce at 5,190. It went up from here, and this was the fake move that I had identified. I had mentioned you already. Till the time we don't see a closing above this resistance, that is 5,260 points, we should not consider it positive, because this can be just a move to the upside of this drop. And from here we are seeing non-stop 4 red candles. This was aggressive move to the downside. Today's candle is bit positive, but still we cannot trust this one. Reason is we can see aggressive move from about 5,260 points till our next identified support, that is 5,115. I hope you all are checking it out how my mark zones are working out perfectly fine. We are seeing good bounces from this area. So what can happen from here potentially is, till the time we don't see clearance of this zone now, that is immediate resistance 5,190 points, we should not consider it to be positive. Yes, we know market is trending up, it's bullish, but as of now it's going through a correction phase, and we can only confirm the correction phase is over when we see a close above immediate resistance and it starts to trade higher. In that scenario we are looking at 5,296, that is resistance, but before that obviously we want clearance of this area, that is 5,260 points. Once this is taken out, then we are looking at about 5,393 points, that is identified as next hurdle. As of now, need of the hour is we want to see a positive closing tomorrow. It's Friday. I'm not expecting big volumes in the market as usual, but once this is seen and once this is confirmed, then we can say correction is most likely over. Till the time, there are chances it can go sideways or it can even drop down. If at all, on the negative side, if it drops down, then I have identified next area of support at 5,080 points. Let's also mark it at the same time so that we have it on our screens. This is 5,080 points. If this fails, then we have next area of support at 5,021 points. Let's see where the market drops and bounces. Bouncing off is not very important. We need to see positive price action to confirm that now recovery is in play and we can expect more upside momentum in the market. Overall, DFM market index is still bullish. It's very positive. It's trending. This is the daily chart of ADX market index, that is Abu Dhabi Securities Exchange. As you all know, I have already marked the resistance, that is 9,563 points. Market was struggling for a break. We can see long wicks at the top for almost 3 weeks, and finally yesterday we saw a nice bullish breakout. This is positive and we are seeing a follow through today. Market today tried to break 9,600 points, but it retreated and it closed at 9,583 points. Still, this is good. There are chances it may continue going higher from here. I want to see 9,600 cleared from here. Once this is done, then we will consider market is starting a trend. As of now, we can clearly see this was the resistance, that is 9,515 points. From here, market dropped down aggressively. It went through a bullish chart pattern. We also witnessed the breakout. It went slowly and steadily to the upside, got resisted at our resistance areas, and finally we are seeing some positive price action. So as I keep mentioning, sooner or later ADX market will start trending. There are many good stocks in ADX market that will perform well. They are at the lowest as of now and they are reversing. Whereas in DFM we can see it's been already trending up. Most of the stocks went up and now they are going through a correction phase. This is the daily chart of Emaar Properties. This is looking positive. We can see after a small drop, market took a pause with this candle, and for the last 2 days it's been printing green candles. This is a good indication. It has almost hit the high that is the previous resistance area where it got rejected at 13.55, and from here we saw a small drop and now it's again trying for a gear up. I think from here Emaar Properties can go higher. Support is established now at 13.10. If it comes down to revisit this zone, this should act as a demand. Tomorrow if it opens flat or with a gap up, there are chances we may see either a pause candle, that is small candle, or it can even continue going higher to make a new high. As of now, looking at the last two candles and volumes, this is looking very promising, so definitely entries are recommended provided you keep a very tight protective stop loss. This is the low of today's candle, that is 13.20. You may keep your stop loss at around 13.15. You never know, during the volatility in the market, it might go down aggressively. It can even come down to fill up the gap sooner or later. Hopefully that does not happen. So in case if it opens with a gap down tomorrow, then we should avoid Emaar Properties. It will be positive and good for entry if it opens flat or with a gap up. And from here we are expecting more upside momentum in Emaar Properties. Overall, obviously this is a trending stock, it's bullish. Financial results are also expected to come out soon. So guys, this was the quick update. Hit the like button. Thanks for watching. Keep stalking.